Hello, pilots of the internet. Welcome to Foldable Flight. My name is Kyle, and this is where I teach you how to fold paper airplanes that will blow your mind. And in this video, I am teaching you how to fold Maestro, a sticky note paper airplane. And you can see this obviously is not folded out of a sticky note. This is out of a larger sheet of paper, just so you can see the nice details of this plane. I really like its overall shaping. Here is a sticky note version. And you can see that these layers actually all stick together very nicely in the front without having to fold any kind of locking mechanism. So let's see this in flight and I'll get folding. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to be folding my plane out of a larger sheet of paper just to try to keep my hands out of the way. But you can see here I've marked what would be the sticky portion of your sticky note. And really quickly before we begin, I'll show you, I like to peel my sticky notes off this way so that it curls like that rather than diagonally and ends up curling like that. This will be easier to fold accurately. Whoops. So with that out of the way, let's begin. Again, I'll be using this sheet. You guys use your sticky note. And you're going to begin by actually flipping it over so you have the sticky side down. Hopefully you're folding on a clean surface. And we're going to fold it in half with this right edge going to the left edge, which should leave your sticky side like so on one side of the paper. And once you've done that, open that back up. Now fold this edge to the center. And do the same thing on the other side. In the next step, we want to take this top portion down and fold it so that our unfolded portion and our folded portion are about the same size. So something like that should work. That's a decent approximation, and we will then rotate it back to this orientation and fold this top portion into the center crease like so. And I'll do that on the other side as well. So the plane should now look like this. And we're actually going to open these back up and open up the top portion as well. And you can see we have these diagonal creases now. And I want to pull this top portion down and make a crease that goes from here to here, where this crease intersects the edge and that crease intersects the edge. And then I also want to pull this layer outward. The references for this are a little bit tricky, but one reference for the crease is going to be this bottom corner. The next reference is when this side here is landing on the point where this diagonal intersects this edge. So you'll see the crease is going to start beyond this intersection. Let me make this crease and then I'll show you again exactly what I've done. You kind of have to fiddle with how far up does it start in order for those references to be correct. So there you go. You can see on mine about where the crease begins. And what I've done is the crease obviously runs through this corner. That's the first thing we talked about. But then pay attention that this edge lands right where this crease intersects this edge. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. And now I can fold this top portion back down on our existing crease. And fold in using the existing creases here. And your layers should nicely stick together for you so that we're not going to have to fold any kind of locking mechanism. My plane will want to come unfolded because I'm not using a sticky note, but yours should hold nicely. And we're going to fold it in half like so. And now make our wings, and our wings will go, they'll start just above this point here, and they'll go slightly at an upward angle towards the back, but we want pretty broad wings. And I'll flip the plane over and do the other side. The actual wing angle is pretty forgiving. You're going to end up with a good plane, whether your wings are exactly like mine or they're a little bit different. So there we go, and now all that's left to do is I want to fold some winglets that are parallel to this edge here. So it's just going to be a small winglet, and I'm going to do my best to estimate what parallel is. And you can see here for scale how small the winglets are on my actual sticky note. So there, that's what my sticky note winglet looks like. So once you do one, you can flip it over and just fold the other side to match. And there you go. We're going to open this back up. And there is Maestro. Now, a forewarning, when you throw this, the fuselage is going to open up a little bit and the wings will want to sag, and that will make the plane unstable if you don't angle the wings just slightly upward before you throw it. And you can kind of hold it by one wing to assess how open it's going to be and adjust your wings so that they are at the very least exactly level, but potentially even just slightly, and I do mean very slightly, angled upwards. And that is called dihedral angle. That usually increases the stability of your aircraft. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed folding Maestro, and I will see you guys next time. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome paper airplane content by clicking on my channel icon in the top right corner. Or check out another one of my videos here. And if you really like what I do, head over to foldableflight.com or patreon.com/foldableflight. And as always, thank you for watching.